don't even take no inspiration where I can. That's cause I'm like a Titan with this ink pen in my hand. Like damn, I go through emotions so quick like sand. I'm building up my ego again, but then I put the pen down and I don't even know who I am. A post on the gram, don't show where I've been. I feel what you don't understand. The clouds in my head, yeah, they come and they go with the wind. Hallucinogens come into my room when I'm sleeping at night, but I try to fight it and I lose and they win. They write on my wall and I don't even know what it's in. Maybe it's Latin, maybe it's French. Either way, I write it down for the win. Couldn't see, but I know it's a him. Yeah, so black that I couldn't see a thing. Wonder why they even visited Tink. But I'm thankful for the lyrics, my friend. I'm short circuit and hurting them with my verses. I feel like a beast emerging from cages, cause I'm a hermit. I stay to myself for ages while flying up into rages. Then catatonia dazes, I'm hitting my peaking stages. My mind stay falling in these darker spaces. I'm out of patience and I don't even know how to explain it. Both my brain and my heart are trying to erase it. Adrenalation, that's the high I'm feeling when